For those of you that haven't seen the other video or want a new sequence, fold it in half, folded part at the top of the head, bring it down. You can go into one elbow form to get onto the spinal strap. That's the most challenging part. Folded part again at the top of the head, then reach that is about an inch or two above your head, fold it, and then I like just to feel underneath my head, my neck, as far down as I can, that it is all stacked nice. It's not crooked or half falling off. And then at the bottom, the end of the spinal strap should be approximately at the bottom of your shoulder blades. The knees are bent, feet and legs hip width apart, or you can take the feet a little wider than the hips and drop the knees into each other. That's also really nice and stabilizing for your pelvis. If this feels too much for your low back today, I'd like to recommend to put a pillow or a folded blanket underneath your pelvis, or if you're just starting or it's been a while, I want to really encourage you, if you have a spinal strap, to please get on it, or even do this sequence without it. Just really opening up the chest to breathe deeply, get those lungs working and full of prana, of breath. To begin, just really feeling your feet supporting you, your legs, connect to your body. Feel the pelvis nice and heavy and let it sink down into your mat, down into the earth. The beautiful curve of your low back. A nice long spine, your chin neutral to support your head and neck. Let your head sink into your spinal strap like it's sinking into the warm earth. Relax your face and jaw. Taking some nice deep inhales and exhales. Your chest is really beautiful and open here, so really appreciating that, and breathe deep. Your shoulders are backing down, the chest is open, really allowing for a great amount of space in this area so you can breathe fully but not forcefully. Breathing in and breathing out. You may even want to start with the mouth open for about 5 rounds, inhaling with them through the nose and then exhaling through the mouth with a sigh, and just letting it all go. You can stay right here. You're doing so many benefits for yourself just by lying like this in this constructive resting pose, in this critical alignment, allowing yourself to breathe fully but not forcefully, on or off the spinal strap, and just relaxing the pelvis and the back of your head. And just enjoying, relaxing into your breath. Feel each breath, breathing deeply into the lungs, into your heart center. Relax your shoulders and let it all go. For a movement, I'd like you to come into bringing the hands up into fists, arms straight. Relax the shoulders. You feel those shoulders coming down. And then let them relax towards your mat and start to make small little circles. Feel the arms and the shoulder socket, small little circles. Elbows are straight but not locked. Arms are straight. Not tight fists, just soft fists. Feel the rotation in the arms and shoulders. And then gradually getting bigger. Getting bigger. And maybe this is as far as you go. That's fine, you stay here. For those of you that can get bigger, you go bigger with your rotation. Inhaling, exhaling, most importantly, inhale, open up, big, big inhale, exhale, exhale, let it all go. You can stay with your big rotation circles as long as you like, or go back to small circles. And then once you find the rotation that is most appropriate for you, that feels the best for you, then please stay there. At any time, if it gets too much, you simply bring your hands down by your sides and relax them completely. Again, staying with your breath is the most important. Inhaling and exhaling. With the rotation, again, finding that movement that works best for your arms, shoulders, upper body today. And changing directions. For those of you with chronic pain, moving with where you are today, but please do not cause any more harm. This is a soft, gentle practice. You want to feel the opening, you want to feel the movement, and feel the breath. Stretching, releasing, but not causing harm. Let that rotation get bigger and bigger. Rest of your body relaxed, feeling stable and strong, yet relaxed. As you rotate and flow through the arms and shoulders, and as you get bigger, moving into your upper back and chest. Bring in a nice mobility into that area, into the shoulder blades that tend to get so tight, and the chest. And then bringing the hands back to stillness and then lowering them down. In stressful times, we tend to really bring the shoulders up to the ears. We tend to hold our breath. So let those shoulders relax, let them come down, let them find the ease. Know that you are safe at this moment, at this time. You are secure. Connect to the earth and breathe. Allow the breath to come forth. From here, I'm taking the palms and letting the palms face one another. Again, relaxing the shoulders down. Inhale, opening the arms right up. Exhale, let them come back together. Inhale, opening them up. Exhale, finding your range of motion. I like to do this one with gratitude. Inhale, opening your heart, your hands, your palms to the sky. Everything and anything that you are grateful for at this breath, this moment, breathe it in. Sending that gratitude out to the world. Reminding yourself of all of the things that you are grateful for. You have at this moment in your breath, in your heart, in your life. Open the heart. Open the lungs. Breathe in like you're pulling taffy with those fingers. Stretching your taffy. Stretching it, stretching it, stretching it. See it growing, lengthening with the inhale. Exhale, see it shortening. Another nice visual is also elastic bands. The elastic band stretching, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Shoulders remain nice and relaxed. Or you could become with a big balloon, and those palms are holding the balloon. With your inhale, the balloon gets bigger and bigger and bigger till you find your range of motion. And exhale, you're squeezing the air out of that balloon, squeezing it out, becomes smaller and smaller. And then you begin again and again, flowing with your breath. Ocean breathing, Ujjayi breathing, or breathing as deeply as you can. Last one. Pause with the palms to the sky, breathing in all that gratitude, all that prana into your heart, let it flow through your whole body, and then exhale and let the hands come down by your sides. Relax completely, feel the feet supporting you, the legs, the pelvis heavy. Beautiful, nice, long spine, shoulders back and down, head heavy. Eyes closed, sinking inward and down, breathing into your heart center. Doing one more. We'll keep the hands up, palms up. Remember those lovely little snow angels we used to do when we were little girls, coming back to that place. And on the inhale, let your arms float up towards the sky, and then exhaling down. For some of you with shoulder issues, I know after my shoulder surgery, I couldn't do this one. I was just doing little snow angels to here. I could barely be on the spinal strap. So I start very, very slowly with all of these movements, and even for how long you stay on the spinal strap or in this position and breathing. So maybe this is your snow angels today. Or maybe you have to have the hands on the shoulders and you move through the elbows. You're still getting the same movement in the shoulder blades, shoulders, arms. Inhaling up. Or you have a very small space at home and you have minimal amount of area to move. Put the hands on the shoulders. Modify, adjust how you need to for you. Most importantly, listen to your body. Close your eyes, go within, listen. You have that gut instinct. You have your internal instinct. You know what is best for you. Listen to that. Find the quiet. Find the time to be alone. Return to nature. Return to yourself and your breath and listen within and follow that guidance. Not only for this video, but always, I encourage you. Your body knows how to heal. It knows what to do. Bring the arms up, or they could be right on the ground for some of you, making that complete snow angel. Modify if you have one shoulder that's a little bit more in pain than the other. And then finish up again, the hands resting by your sides. You can turn the palms up or down. You may find that you have some tingling in your fingers, some sensation in your hands, wrists, arms, shoulders. That's normal. It's really waking up the upper body, waking up your body to this beautiful movement, releasing those tight, stressed upper back muscles, chest muscles, and allowing that spinal strap, like a deep massage, to go deep within the vertebrae, the muscles, to do its magic and help you heal. Coming off your spinal strap, slowly roll over to one side. Pull it out from underneath you. Come back onto your back and stay in constructive resting pose. Breathing in and breathing out. And just allow your body to absorb the work of the spinal strap. As you breathe in and breathe out. I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like. You can also add just a little bit of a neck stretch by turning your head to the left shoulder. Inhale to center. Exhale to the right. Again, listening to your body, listening to your neck, only going as far as it feels appropriate. Turning left. Inhale to center. Exhale to the right. Getting a nice twist in the neck. Rest of the body relaxing. I'll just finish up with again the breath. Placing the hands in the belly and the chest. Relax your elbows. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale as long as you can. Let it all go. Stay here as long as you like. From my heart to yours, Namaste.